guys, today we are making slime.
We, not three.
I said we, yeah. Oh, okay. So whenever we make this slime, today we are making fluffy slime. And this fluffy slime will be very, 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 very good. So if you like slime, hit that thumbs up and don't break your fingers. Keeps on dropping. Okay, so alright, so let's get started. Okay? So what you're gonna need for this project,
So we need to close the doors to be quiet.
okay, close them. You're gonna need a mixing bowl. Hold up, let me get this off. Ah, the slime is sticking to me. And then you're gonna need some shaving foam. Something to stir with. It can be anything, but I'm just using this. And then an Elmer's glue or Jot glue. It doesn't matter which kind glue. But yeah. And then we have eye contact solution. And then we have borax. And these are all the things that we're going to be using today. So let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to do, close that door. You're going to pour in some glue. Sorry if it's dark. You can pour however much glue you pour in, that's how much slime you get. The borax. No. We don't even need borax though.
Yeah, since we have contact solution.
So never mind, we just spilled the borax, y'all. So we don't need the borax. Scratch the borax
I have
out.
some a little. Borax right here in my cup.
Well, then we have some borax, a little bit of it. Then you're going to put any kind of food coloring, but I don't have any. Then you're going to stir it, but it's going to turn into blue because I have blue at the very bottom for my food coloring. Mix it very, very well. And then you're going to put in eye contact solution. Put however much you want in there, just a few drops. And then you stir it up. Then you put in some contact solution.
That's borax.
Borax, I mean. There's a little bit of borax left. And then you mix it up. And then it'll start sticking to your spoon like that. Okay? So after that, you're going to take it out.
And
start kneading it, yes. You're going to knead it until you think that it's slime. And then I'll tell you what to do with shaving cream. If it's not, then it's not sticky.
I will tell you what to do with the shaving cream.
No.
So after you make your slime, it will turn out like this. Like this. And so we're going to put some shaving cream in.
I am not making that much slime because I have too much slime.
And why are you in the bathroom?
Okay, so then we're going to start kneading it.
Girl. You see me? And then when you have after you make your slime,
put it back.
you put shaving cream in.
Fine, but if you mess it up, you have to give me something.
I'll give you. What happened?
She wants to play with my slime. Okay. Then after that, you just keep on kneading it until it gets sticky. For an example, will you knead it for me?
Here.
You want me to knead this?
Sorry, you need it.
Alright. Well, since I have more glue in my hands, it might be sticky. Alright, so after that you just knead it and knead it and knead it and knead it and knead it until it will
You need,
be
like, for
all
5
the
minutes
shaving
or
foam. Like all the shaving foam is off. Can't believe I'm sitting in this.
Never mind. I'm saying
It is?
No, I'm just kidding.
It's ruined. Is it?
No.
Yes, it is. Oh, you just have to knead it. It better not be ruined. If it is, I'm going to give you a piece of my mind. So you better fix it. Okay, keep on kneading it.
You should never made it this sticky. Give me the contact solution.
First, let me use some. Okay, so if you put too much borax in, it will not work. It will be too hard.
Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Now, this slime is very, 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 very nice and ready. Okay, so after that, we are almost finished. We have one more minute with y'all. Okay, now this is very awesome because if it's too sticky,
7
put
minutes,
too much borax. Put borax in there.
2 minutes on this one. Okay.
And if it's too much, okay.
Smash that like button.
Smash that subscribe button also.
And we'll send you a slime, put your address and all that. And so,
We'll send you slime the first person
Okay,
that
bye.
subscribes. Bye.